Welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. I'm Amy Sonnemann, and today I get to share the Thankful collection designed by Michelle Coleman. This collection includes 6 gorgeous papers, a 6x6 paper pad, ephemera, stamps, coordinating dies, as well as a stencil and die papers. Let's jump in and take a look. This is the collection kit. It includes 2 of each of the lovely papers included in this collection, as well as the 12x12 element sticker sheet. The papers in this collection feature Thankful and Blessed, which includes your cut-aparts, as well as a diagonal stripe. This is the beautiful Autumn Kitchen paper. Next is Warm and Cozy, Falling Leaves, Hello Fall with the fun fonts as well as the polka dots. And the last paper in this collection is Pumpkin Spice. This is a 6x6 paper pad with smaller patterns of the papers you just saw. Perfect for smaller cards, for traveler's notebooks, for mixed media projects that you need for a smaller scale. The smaller text background would be beautiful on cards. You'll get lots of fun designs. You'll also get 3 of each of the papers you just saw. Here's a quick look at the element sticker sheet with lots of words, some great titles, and all kinds of fun icons. If you like ink blending or mixed media projects, there's also a beautiful stencil that says Hello Fall with cute fall leaves. Thankful also includes a stamp set, coordinating dies, and a die paper that works beautifully with the dies in this set. If you love ephemera as much as I do, you're going to like the Ephemera Pack, which includes 30 great cardstock pieces for you to mix and match with all of the elements in this collection. Add a little 3D foam tape to give yourself an added pop of dimension and interest. You'll get lots of titles, fun frames, tickets, tabs, as well as banners. If you like the Thankful collection, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. We sure do appreciate you stopping by today, and have a great day.